Today we're exploring Little Havana and we're gonna grab some food at the famous Versailles restaurant. Feel the beat of Little Havana here. And here's a public park where lots of retirees play dominoes of all things. I think they do it for money. What do you think?
Look at them. Like, run for your life!
Kentucky Fried Chicken down.
Something?
No way. Probably,
Oh, that's kind of like
I
the
see exactly what you're talking
little seeing eye dog.
about. They like to have
statues.
competition.
And we're gonna grab some food at the famous Versailles restaurant. Look what that sign says. It's the world's most famous Cuban restaurant.
Oh, thank you. Gotcha. How you say it? Oh, margaritas. Yeah, you're right. And espresso.
I'm just gonna have a Cuban sandwich with some black bean soup.
Everything okay? Yeah.
Very good, thank you. At Versailles too. Outdoors, people come up for their espresso. This is feel the beat of Little Havana here.